Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a happy Tuesday. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and do some saving challenges with a total of $52 that I have, plus $8 from the money that I saved. I did put $31 towards my Navy Federal credit card because I ended up going to Walmart and needing a new tire. And I paid for road hazard. Okay, so I found the other dice. So let's do it again. Let's see what's going to get. And this one is stuck. And I just had to push it through, which I'll do it again so you all can see. I'm not cheating, I promise. See, it got stuck. 6. So this one is number 6. Let's see how much money that one is going to get. Is that $6? So number 6 is getting 6. So 5, 6. Let's keep going. So number 5. So number 5 is this challenge right here. Let's see how much money it's getting. $4 look like. 1, 2, 3, $4. Okay, number 1 has not gotten any money, but that's okay. So let's keep going. So number 5 again, which is this challenge again, it's taking all the money. And it's getting $2 from the looks of it. And let me just check. Looks like I have plenty of money left to include Shut the Box. So we'll keep going. Number 2. So that's this challenge again. So let's see how much money it's getting. Whoops. It's getting $1. At least it got $1 this time, right? So we'll keep going. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 is this challenge again. Oh my goodness. And it's getting $4. Y'all, this challenge did not come to play. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, $4. And I have 10, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38. I'll roll, let's say, 2 more times. Okay, this one is number 6, which is this challenge. So let's see how much money it's going to get. So it got this amount, $5. And 5, 10, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this challenge, I'm going to take the rest of this money and play Shut the Box because I don't know what it's going to equal to. So we have 5, 6, 10, 11. So $11. And what I'll do is let's see, today is June. My pencil is messed up. Y'all, tell me why the dog just literally stepped on my foot. As heavy as she is, like literally, she just stepped on my foot and didn't even say excuse me. So all together, Rad Girl's budget challenge got $11, and let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 11, 12, 13, 14. So this challenge needs, and I'm just writing how much it needs. 11, 12, 13, 14. So it needs $3 to be completed. And for this challenge over here, it got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. $16, and let's see how this works for this game. $1 each, save $20. So $1 each, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and it needs $4 to be completed. And this challenge right here never got any money. So let's see if we can play a full game of Shut the Box. And what I'll do is fold all of this. So I counted everything. I got all the paper and the money folded together. And for Shut the Box, we are using 10, 20, 5, 30, 1, 2, 3. So let's see how much we're going to save for Shut the Box. And if we have anything left, we'll go ahead and go back to the other challenges. So I actually had to look to see how to play Shut the Box, which is crazy because I do love Shut the Box, y'all. I just forgot how to play it. It's been that long. So let me zoom in, and I got my pen, and I got both dies. So we'll do 1, and that looks like 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll do let's do 4 and 2. And I'll do 6. And this is the 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, dang it. So we wouldn't have enough to do 10. We only have enough for 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we already did the 4. So that means I'm saving 1, 2, $3. So $3 for that one. And we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7. So 6 and 7. And 1 and 2. No, 6. Messed that one up clearly. So let me start over. We're on the second row. 4. No, that's 5. I should have moved this one out the way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do it again. Oh, so we have, I'll just do it without it and try to do it on this so you all can see. So we have a 1 and a 5, so 6, 6 and 7, 5, 6, 7. So we have a 5, 6, and 7 again. So 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then what I'll do is take one dice away. Let's see if we can roll that one. No. So I need to say 1. And since everything is starting to blend in, let's do this right here. Let me put this back right there. So we have 5, 6, 7. So 6, 7. We have 5, 5 and 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No. So I need to say 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $10 to this challenge. And June, which I can't spell. So June 2nd. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $10 to this challenge, and this challenge is complete. And this is what this challenge looked like overall. These challenges, let's see if we can save some more money. So we have 10, 10, 15, 20, wait, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 23. So let's see what we can save now. Number 6. Number 6 need 11. So let's see how much money we're saving for number 6. $1. That is crazy. And I do have more ones if I need to get smaller amounts. So number 6. Okay. $3. Okay, I don't know where my other dice went to, but we'll keep going. And I believe this is $20 now. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So number 1 is finally getting some love, y'all. Number 1 is getting some love, finally. Let's see how much it's going to get. $6. So 5, 6. And we'll keep going. Number 6. Okay, this one is number 6. And let's see how much it's going to get. $5. Number 1. This one right here. No, that's number 2. So number 2. And how much is number 2 going to get? $2. 1, 2. Can't see that one. I'll do it again. Number 2. So this one. Okay, yes, that is number 2. My dice, my little diamond came off. So number 2, and it is getting $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one right here. And we only have $2. But let's see what it will get. $1. Okay. That's not bad at all. So since we only have $1 left, I'm going to go ahead and give it both dollars. So let's see what's been completed. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. And does it show how much we'll save? Okay, since it doesn't show how much we'll save, we have $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. And I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. For this challenge right here, I was able to save 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, $23. And it says to save $20. So total 23. I was about to put 26, y'all. Total 23. Total 23. So we have one challenge completed. Hang on, let me fix that. So we've officially completed Penny Palettes budget for $23. We have officially shut the box for $10. We also have $5, 6, 7, $8 towards, I can't see the person's name on here, but I can look at it and see. Wait, it's the same person. So Penny Palettes budgets. We have $8 for that challenge that I do need to finish up, which I will. And for this challenge right here, we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19. And let's see. I'm going to go ahead and complete this challenge from Rad Girl Budgets with a total of 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19. And now we just have one challenge to complete in total. I will have everyone linked below. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I hope you all had fun watching me do my saving challenges, which I haven't did this in months now. So it was pretty fun just putting money towards saving challenges. Let's see what I'm able to complete next. Let's see if I have some money left over in my closeout when I do it. Have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.